Best 5 Rakshabandhan gifts for sister under Rs 1000. The first product on our list is from Shopify, which is providing 3 mini leather backpack, sling bag and a pouch set. The backpack features magnetic flap organizer, 1 main zipper compartment, 2 easy access zipper compartment, 1 inside pocket and 1 backside pocket in each of the bags. The Amazon rating of this bag is 4 stars. The price is 626 rupees only. The best buy link is given in the description. The next product on our list is a ruby necklace set from the Zaveri Pearls. This necklace set features a contemporary and a stylish trendy look. It is made up of brass and 22 karat yellow gold. The Amazon rating is 4.1 stars. The price is 987 rupees only. The best buy link is given in the description. The next product on our list is from Levi Betula tote bag. This tote bag features an office and a stylish trendy look. It is made of high quality soft materials which is well stitched. The Amazon rating is 4.1 stars. The price is 987 rupees only. Best buy link is given in the description. The next product is a perfume gift set from Bella Vita. This perfume gift set features 4 miniature perfumes CEO Woman, Honey Rose and Glam. The volume is 20 ml each. The Amazon rating of this product is 4.3 stars. The price is 565 rupees only. Best buy link is given in the description. The final product on our list is a white dial woman's watch from Sonata. This Sonata watch features a white and a round case-shaped dial which is made of stainless steel, having 12 months manufacturer warranty. The Amazon rating of this product is 4.3 stars. The price is 1049 rupees only. The best buy link is given in the description.